Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange and TradeX.live. US markets closed lower yesterday. That's because the GDP data came, which was much lower than expected. The US market is mostly data driven. When bad data comes, market react violently on the downside. When good data comes, market react violently on the upside. So yesterday, it was the downside throughout the day. However, just after the market close, within 1 minute of market close, Microsoft result came. The result seems to be good. It shot up 4%. And then within next 2 to 3 minutes, Google came out with results, Alphabet, and that stock has shot up more than 10%. So Facebook came out with results, fell 15%. Tesla came out with results, shot up 15%. And now Google shot up 10%. So this is how the US markets move very, very violently. Asian markets are as usual mixed, and then GIFT Nifty is indicating a slightly positive opening. First, our market is becoming a hugely random market. The market's movement are just completely random. It goes up for no reason, comes down for no reason, again goes up for no reason, So, as I told you earlier, like algo traders, they were eating the manual traders. And now quant traders are even eating the algo traders. And there's a huge amount of money being lost by the option writers, which historically has never seen that kind of losses. I've seen some people reporting, 40%, 50% capital is being wiped out in just one day. And so far what has happened, the injection came only on one direction. But what happened yesterday, injection came, in both the directions in 2-3 times. So this market is definitely not for intraday players, or if you are an intraday player, better keep the stop loss very, very strictly. This market is also not for positional traders. So this market is for the swing traders. For any reason, if the market falls, and see last time, mid cap, small cap directive came from SEBI, the markets fell. Those who bought that fall, market went higher again, hit a fresh all-time high. Again came the Mauritius tax treaty and the Israel-Iran war, and then market came down nearly 1,000 points, and then again now uniformly has come back. Now is inching towards the all-time high. And look at the State Bank of India. Yesterday, everybody thought Kotak Bank will be bringing down the Bank Nifty. Axis Bank has shot up. That is understandable because the corporate results were good. But from nowhere, the State Bank of India shot up more than 5%. So this is how markets move. So these quant players are, making market very, very difficult, and it is likely to continue. And this is how the US markets behave. Probably there also these people are playing very much. So today is the first trading session of the month, right? Usually if the market, close at the lower end of the trading range, then the first trading session, there will be a significant rally. But yesterday, markets did not close at the lower end of the trading range. It has ended at the higher end of the trading range. So therefore, at least for today, we don't expect any big rally. Though US futures are very high, but what it fell during the daytime, only that has been recovered. From day before yesterday high to yesterday low, S&P 500 fell 2%. From yesterday low to after market hours high, it's up 2%, but total effect is only almost nil, right? So now onwards, corporate results will be, the stock specific actions will be there because of corporate results. So yesterday the Bajaj Finance was volatile and the results came. The result seems to be a decent result. And today Maruti, HCL Technology, Bajaj Finserv. So these are the three main companies to report the numbers. So looking at the US ADRs, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank ADRs are higher, and I'm yet to check. If I'm not wrong, I think yesterday the Bank Nifty closed at all-time high. And so because of IT underperformance, and the Reliance has also been not doing well for the last few days, but the banking stocks, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, State Bank, so these are all like very bullish banks. And Kotak Bank, anyway, for the last 5 years, Kotak Bank has not been going anywhere. So today is the first trading session, so there is no point in talking the open interest, but roughly speaking, this month we can expect Nifty to trade between 22,000 on the downside to 23,000 on the upside, and only today more and more positions will be taken by the positional traders, so we can look at the open interest from Monday onwards. So other than that, after such a huge commotion yesterday, that today markets may be relatively stable. So they cannot be doing the injection story every day, right? But nowadays the frequency is so high, right? And many of my friends who have been option sellers, so they are planning to quit option selling. That is actually good for the health of the stock market, because for the last 2 to 3 years, option selling space is overcrowded, I would say. So let us see where the market opens, where the market closes, but expecting some kind of a stable market today. And today is the second phase of the polling. So I think there are 7 phases. Each and every phase election closes, there will be some exit polls. You and me will not know the results, but the people who are taking the poll, they should know the results. And I'm sure privately they might be passing on this information to some ultra HNI traders. So accordingly, those people can start taking the position, so that somehow may be reflected in the technicals in the market. So that's why sometimes technicals are more important. So I have not studied the technicals now, so because I'm slightly down with a slightly cold and fever. So over the weekend I will study the technicals, and accordingly I'll inform you either on Sunday during Dalal Street Week Ahead or Monday morning. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.